Hey guys, welcome back. Come on in my kitchen. Are you guys ready for the holidays? I know I am. So today I decided that I am going to be sharing with you a very quick holiday recipe. We will be whipping up this banana pudding box cake. So keep watching. Let's get into it. So in order to make this banana pudding cake, you are going to need a box of yellow cake mix. You're just going to follow the directions as indicated on the back. I decided to use this Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my 9 by 13 pan and I am getting ready to spray my pan with Baker's Joy. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Baker's Joy, but basically Baker's Joy prevents the cake from sticking in the pan. I would definitely recommend this product if you're baking cakes, especially if you're baking cakes from scratch. So now you can't have a banana pudding cake without banana pudding. So let's go ahead and whip up the pudding part of this cake. Now you are going to need a couple of boxes of instant banana flavored pudding. The closest thing that they had when I went to the store was this banana cream, so I just went with it. Basically, you're just going to follow the directions as indicated on the back of the box. For the whipped cream, you can use Cool Whip or you can make your whipped cream from scratch. I decided that I wanted to make my whipped cream from scratch. I am adding the heavy whipping cream to the bowl. Now, whenever you're making whipped cream, you want to make sure that the heavy cream is super cold. And I would even recommend putting the heavy cream in the freezer 15 to 20 minutes prior to beating it, so it will make it easier to come together to form stiff peaks. Okay, so now you see that the heavy whipping cream is about the consistency of a milkshake. So once it gets to this consistency, I feel that it's okay for you to go ahead and add the powdered sugar. You're just going to eyeball the amount that you need, and I'm also going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. Okay guys, so right here I'm just showing you the consistency of the whipped cream. Do you see how stiff it is, and can you see the stiff peaks that it has formed? This is the way you want your whipped cream to be. So let's get into the pudding part of the cake. You want the pudding to seep down into the cake. I am going to be using a spatula to poke holes in the cake so that when I add the pudding, it will spread down into the holes. Just like so, the cake is done. I also added crushed vanilla wafers on top of the cake as well, but I waited until I served each individual piece before adding the vanilla wafers because I didn't want my vanilla wafers to be soggy. But if that does not bother you, once you finish adding the whipped cream on top of the cake, then you can add your crushed vanilla wafers. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you smash that like button on the way out, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not a part of the family. Until the next video, peace.